Book of Heaven, Volume 2, July 18th, 1899. How Sacramental Jesus and the soul draw and bind each other. It continues almost always in the same way. This time it seemed to me that in my heart there was Sacramental Jesus, and from the Holy Host he spread many rays in my interior, and many threads came out of my heart, which intertwined with all those rays of light. It seemed to me that Jesus, with his love, would draw the whole of my heart to himself, and my heart, with those threads, would draw and bind the whole of Jesus to stay with me. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.